Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to download and export account information reports on WhatsApp. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chat tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on the Settings option. Tap on Accounts. Tap on Request Account Information. Tap on Download Report. A zip file will be downloaded to your phone. The zip file includes a HTML file that is easy to view and a JSON file that could be ported to another app. Once the file is downloaded to your phone, tap Export Reports. Tap Export again to confirm. You will be unable to view the downloaded report within WhatsApp. Select any of the external applications that appears in your share tray to export the reports. For example, you can email a copy to the report to yourself. Please note that report has your personal information. You should be careful while storing, sending, or uploading it to any other services. This is how you can download and export account information on WhatsApp on an Android device.